Good morning. The baby's had her vitamin already. Yeah. She's playing with her Stitch. And we're just waiting for the dogs to finish eating. Alright, so we were planning on going to Pensacola today. Just to, drive around so we get out of the house. But it's raining outside. So I think we'll just stay home and finish tackling the house. So we're back home. I've just finished putting away the baby's laundry. And as you can see, I'm trying to get her to go down for her nap. She's getting really fussy, but she does not want to go to sleep for some reason. Let's see if I can get her to go down, and hopefully I can either start our laundry or somewhat pick up the house a little bit more. I am making myself some eggs for right now, and I am making some black beans here for dinner. I'm trying to hopefully have them ready by the time Mitch gets home so he doesn't have to wait too long, because I know he's still on his 12-hour shifts. We have the baby doing some tummy time. ¿Qué pasa, mi amor? ¿Qué fue eso? ¿Qué fue eso? So we've got rice, black beans, and chicken. Let's to grab the spoon.
We're gonna grab it with the other hand.
Yiko!
Is it good? What do we think? Huh? Maybe? There's still a little bit more. You want some more? She's trying to understand the taste in her mouth. She's like,
I don't know.
I don't know.
Good?
What do we think?
She got distracted by Odin. Hold on.
The Odin. The dog. What do we think? Are we liking it? Are we not liking it? She wants this spoon. She wants this spoon.
Oh, okay.
She's got a little mustache like